Hello guys, it's Geng. Welcome to my another video. I hope you guys doing great. Today is gonna be about wall hanging decor. So I'm gonna do 3 projects, super easy and affordable one, super duper. So let's hang with me. For the first project, I'm gonna use skewers and some assorted skeins of yarn. So I started by cutting 2 skewers at 6 inches and wrap them together in the middle with the yarn. You can use any color you like, but this one I just go with red. Then I spread them to get the cloth shape, wrapping up some more and then tied it up tightly. Now I'm forming up the pattern by going the yarn over and go back down under, looping up and then go to the next one. You just go over and under, looping back again and repeat it. Keep rolling to the left, to the left. So when you think you're done with this color, you just cut off and tie up the other one and then repeat it over and over. You don't need to mind the knot. Just keep going. When you run into it, the knot will be hidden by itself. So as I know, this thing is a traditionally Thai Northeast flag. It's called a spiderweb flag. Stand for good luck, good vibes kind of thing. It's related to Buddhist, I believe. Not much information about it. Sorry if I'm wrong. But I just noticed that they call it God's Eye in Mexico. So interesting that we have something in common from the other side of the world. Now you see I keep changing the color and run it to the end. And then tie it up, that's all. Then I'm making some more with different colors and multiple sizes. Let's go fast forward. I will catch you up later. Here we go. So I make 8 pieces of it. And now I just cut some yarns and then tie them up together to get it thicker for hanging the flag. I'm gonna say flag, okay? And again, I just tie them up together, wrapping up a few times and then tighten the knot. So next I'm wrapping up the yarns to create an organic texture to it all the way. And I'm gonna do it every each flag. I also wrap some different color in some part of it to get an accent and a little more interesting. Then I trim off the excess of the dowels, all of them. Now I'm looking for the hanger bar to it. These are what I have been keeping. I'm gonna leave all the wooden for my future projects. So I think I'm gonna use this T-bar. It's a MDF vinyl wrapped floor transition when I was doing the kitchen floor earlier. So glad I finally know what to use this for. Okay, now I use stepper gun, stepper the yarn to the bar. That's it. Super quick and easy, right? And then I use hammer tapping down to make sure they're not gonna fall out. Then trim off the excess. I also make some more yarns as a bar hanger. Just staple it to the side and ready to go. This project I'm gonna do the string art, so I use this particle board. It used to be some sort of my kitchen built-in cabinets. I took down and keep some. So I'm wrapping it with sandy shade of canvas, using a stepper gun, stepping side by side, just stretching the canvas really tight when you do that, and trim the fabric off. Then I fold the canvas, slipping in diagonal just like what you do when you're wrapping the box. And then staple it. Now I'm drawing the maple leaf. You can get any pics you like. There are tons of string art ideas on Pinterest, like wow, I want to do some more in the future though. So I keep freehanding till I get the shape I want. And then I use a marker pen lining up the dots for nailing later. And then I'm rubbing off the pencil. Next, I'm gonna use these short small wood nails What I do is just using a pliers, holding the nail in place for hammering, just tapping down gently to the dots. Then I'm using gold acrylic color, brushing to all the nail heads and wait for it to dry. Now it's looking good so far. Moving on, I use this kind of awesome color tones of thread for stringing. So I'm gonna mix this color up randomly. I think I'm gonna go green first because it's gonna be a smallest section of the fall leaf. So what I'm gonna do is just tie the thread up to one of the nail and then go across to another nail next line and go back. You just keep going zigzag in infinity shape, doing back and forth until you get enough with this color. Then tie the knot to the nail and get another one. Now I'm gonna add more of red, tanny, brown and some yellow in every section of the leaf. To be honest, I thought it would be quicker, but it takes a little while to run this thing. It took me 2 hours for just this hand size, but it turned out so good, so no complaint. Lastly, I just flaming up the leaf by nailing some more and touching up the gold color. Then staple some rope for hanging. That's the wrap for the day. For the last wall hanging project, I'm gonna create a little pumpkin stack. So I'm gonna make it by cutting a narrow piece, just around 1 inch of the seed foam and rolling it, and then just wrapping the foam with the poly batting. Then tie it up with the yarn or any rope you have. And then I cut and trim off all the excess. Now I got a small pumpkin, and I'm gonna make some more. I think I need around 7 or 8 pieces in different size of it. Next, I'm hanging the fabric to the branch. I found this branch down the street at my condo. It's quite long, like 1.2 meter, and it has a nice shape. So I'm just slipping the fabric edge in, pleating a nice look to it, and wrapping together, and then tie it up with the yarn. Then I get a pumpkin foam I made inside of the fabric right there. Then just pleating the fabric to get the pumpkin skin looks. Hopefully it works. And then I just tie it up again. Now I'm using the thread I got from the past project. Literally, if you notice that, I always use the same thing I have. I love to do that. Use everything you have in your home. No need to buy some more. Anyway, so I'm wrapping the thread over and over to get a stem look to it. Then tie the knot and cut off the thread when you're done with this. I use a scissors, pushing the knot inside so you're not gonna see it. Now I got the first one. Does it look like a pumpkin or not? You tell me. Anyways. So I run another one and do the same thing. And look. Bam! That happened. Then I got a solution by using a painter's tape, wrapping up instead. It's way easier to shape them up. And now I stack some more pumpkins to the end of the fabric. Then I cut the tail off and wrapping the painter's tape over to create a curvy pumpkin stem at the bottom. And then I'm just wrapping the thread to it. So I did make another one off the camera with different color. That's how it looks. Finally touch, I use this Blanc napkin rings. It's from Sala Home, I believe. It's a pack of 4. I got them on sale, I'm so sure. So I just put it on top, and that's it. How beautiful they are. This idea just came up out of nowhere. I don't think I've seen one before. Now you got a cute little pumpkin stacked on your wall. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Maybe this could be an idea for your wall hanging decor for this fall. Be safe, be kind to each other. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video, bye.